If your yard is overrun by deer chopping away at your landscape plants, don't despair. There are many strategies that can help, including your landscaping design itself. Here are some suggestions. For starters, try to incorporate multiple levels. While deer have a very wide field of vision, they have poor depth perception. As a result, they avoid areas with terracing, sunken gardens, raised decks, and other uneven terrain. Barriers can also help. Fences are a logical, albeit expensive, choice. They also need to be quite high, as deer can jump 6 to 8 feet. For a more economical choice, consider placing garden ornaments, benches, and other garden furniture in locations where deer usually enter your yard. Plants can also be used to create barriers. See below for links to several videos on perennials, annuals, shrubs, and hedges that deer tend to avoid. By placing any of these around plants that deer often devour, you can form a natural barrier that will help deter deer. Finally, as an extra measure of protection, spray your plants regularly with Bobx deer repellent, which has been rated #1 in independent tests of leading deer repellents. It's long-lasting, won't wash off, and is totally safe for children, pets, wildlife, and the environment. It can be applied year-round, anytime the temperature is above 35 degrees Fahrenheit. A few simple strategies can go a long way toward keeping foraging deer away from your precious plants. Keep them in mind as you design your outdoor spaces, and your garden will thank you. For more garden inspiration and tips, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.